Okay, good morning YouTubers. I've got a case here I want to review, and it's by, am I pronouncing it right? That's got to be right, Love Me. I don't mean love me, but if you do, please subscribe, like and share. Right, this is a case which I've purchased off eBay. I will leave the link in the description down below. This case is for my, here we go, Hawaii, I don't know how you pronounce that properly. Anyway, Hawaii P40 Pro. This is the phone that I'm using, which I film on. The idea is I don't want to use this as a phone anymore. I've got another one which my daughter gave me. I'm not tight, I just don't use them enough. But I do use the camera, and I prefer the camera on the Hawaii Pro 40p because it's quite good. It's actually very good. It does all my filming. Right, so I've ordered this because I want to protect. I forgot, yeah, it's nice bright yellow. That's fine because I won't lose it. All right, so there's nothing else in the box. So there we go. By Love Me. Powerful for, I don't know what it means by powerful. Anyway, so you got shock proof, dust proof, snow proof, and splash proof. Might get some snow this year. You never know. What's in the box? Okay. I only had a quick look. I've not took it out of the box or took it apart or anything. So the case, if you like that colour, I don't want to lose it, so I thought, yeah. There we go. This is spongy at the back, so I presume that you can lie this on a charging pad and it'll still charge the phone. That's what I'm presuming. The front is just, I don't know, I haven't looked at that yet. Comes with the manual and how everything works, how to put it together by the look of it. Well, look at it, pretty self-explanatory, I would have thought. Two tools. We have a screwdriver by the look of it. Oh, isn't that cute? And an Allen key. Okay. Oh, and there we go, a lanyard. Anything else? Nope. Discard that. We'll have a look at that. Oh. Okie doke. So, I take it that the case is it put together or not? I mean, I must admit, it's pretty robust. You've got your three main buttons. Right in focus. Yeah. Because this, yeah. Alright. So, looks like we have to take it apart. Yep. So, what's this one? Let's have a look at this. Let's have a close up at this, see if we can get a close up what that is. Can't, can we? Can we? Oh, I don't know. Sorry, folks, I don't know. Let's see if we can do it like that. Nope. There we go. Yeah, it fits in there anyway. Okay, so let's undo them. One. Right, I'm not going to show you me undoing all these. Just wonder why we got two lots. No idea. Right, okay, I'll come back in a sec. Okay, all six out. That was very strong, very robust. Comes off. The back. You can see that it's well, you can hear that it's metal. And then that's just a cover, and then we've got the cleaner and a set of spare screws, and then this is it. So that's it really. This is £29. I will definitely, like I said, put the link in the description down below. It'll be using this phone, so I'll probably mount this phone in here now and then use my other phone just to film the rest of this, see what it fits like. Like I said, the idea is this is no longer going to be a phone, it's just going to be my camera phone, or just camera, say that. So it looks pretty good. So I don't want, if I drop it or bash it, the thing is, it's in really good nick. I do look after my phones. There's no scratches, there's no cracks on the screens. I've not dropped it, so it's a minter. So that's the idea. I'm going to put this phone in here now. So what I'll do, I'll swap places. This is another one which I bought a hard case for. This wasn't that bad. I think it was about 15 quid, 17 quid, something like that. And this is for a Samsung Galaxy SE 10. So Samsung Galaxy SE 10. And I like it. It's heavy. I don't mind that. I don't mind the weight. I just don't want to keep buying phones or smashing them. And this put together, and that's glass fronted. Yeah, it's all right. There's a crack on it. So I said, so I got this from my daughter. She doesn't want it, so I'll have that. There's a slight crack across the light, but I'm not worried about that. And there we go. So I'll be putting the SIM, because this one as well, the Hawaii, this one we're looking at now, this one is coming to the end of the contract. So I will change just for a £10 contract with about unlimited. You can buy, I think, with ID. Keep the number and then put the SIM into this one, and then use this one, and this was my camera phone, like I said before. Okay, let's by the magic of TV, there we go. Okay, so then we take this one apart. Oh, that's it, a little bit stiff, that one. Not a bag. I only bought as a standing case. So the idea is now to clean the back. You can see she's immaculate, you know, no crashes, no bashes, no nothing. So let me just give this a quick clean. So I'm gonna, once it's clean like that, I'm gonna just drop them in. I presume I got this right. There we go. And then what we can do is then clean the main bit. So I'm gonna lay that down. I'll just do it nice and clean. I mean, you could switch your phone off if you wanted to. You want that dust free. I'm in the van at the moment. The tick in the background is my diesel heater going off. Okay, so that's the back. This is the front. So it doesn't look like you get a glass with it. Do you get a glass with it? You don't get a glass with it, and that's a little bit. Mind you, I suppose the casing will protect it. I presume that the casing is higher than the glass. Yes, it is. Is it? Let's have a quick look. Yes, it is. It's just higher than the glass. But if you get a stone in the middle, that's a little bit disappointing, I must admit. I was hoping that, yeah. So you might want to get yourself a glass front. I will be getting myself a glass front, I think. Nothing in here, is it? Oh well, that's a shame. For the price of it, that's a little bit disappointing. So if you're listening, love me, put a glass front with it for the price. Okay. Alright, so let's flip him over and let's get him back together. That's the back. Okay. And the screws you get are identical, so they're not longer. So I'm using the originals. Okay. Okay, done. There we go. So yeah, I mean the camera is well protected, like I said though, but other than that, you can't really do much better than that. I mean that one was quite good, but if you're going to get a chip in on it, you're going to catch the camera anyway. The back pad is nice and stable. That's it. That's probably for your charge, and the front is well protected. It definitely is well protected. And we got the rubber all round. Let's see if it works. Oh yep, that's fine. Volume controls, everything works. Alright, thumbprint. Well, it's going to work, there's no glass, but I'm going to buy a glass for the front of it. But I must admit, come on love me, send it with a glass. For the cost, it's you know, so I think it was about £29. I'll I'll put the link in the description down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. Whether you like the yellow, they come in multiple colors. That's up to you what you want. I wanted the yellow because if I drop it or leave it in the woods, I'll put the lanyard on as well. It looks like it goes through here by the look of it, and we'll see. Yeah, there you go. Bit bulky, but don't know if you want the lanyard. I probably don't want it at the moment. The two out of the keys that come with, they're both the same. One's more convenient. This is very, very handy. That makes life a lot easier. All right, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. There we go. Might have to do a screenshot of that, or like that. Let's have a photo, shall we?